Another question, 2015. Question number 98. So, in Drosophila, the gene for eye color is present on the X chromosome. When a red-eyed female was mated with a white-eyed male, okay, a red-eyed female, so the gene is present on the X chromosome. So we can indicate the like chromosome as W plus. It is indicated like this. In the red-eyed female was mated with a white-eyed male. So male will have the X and Y. Okay. And since it is a white-eye, so X W Y. So this will be the phenotype of the male. And phenotype of the female, since we know it is a red eye, we can say that at least one copy of the red gene will be present. The other copy we do not know. Okay. Other copy can be a red eye type X chromosome or a white eye. In either way, since the red eye gene is dominant, so even if it is present in one copy, it will be expressed. The other copy we do not. So this is the information you get from the first sentence. Then we have when a red-eyed female, so it will be X, but what is the gene type? We do not know. So it is mated by a white-eyed male, so its genotype will be XWY. A total of 100 progeny is obtained, in which 50 are male and 50 are female. Okay, half. So out of these 50 females, 25 were red-eye and 25 were white-eye. So they are asking how many of the male progeny was red-eye. So we have total 100 progeny, out of which 50 are female, 50 are female and 50 are male. Okay. Now out of this 50 female, 25 were red-eyed and 25 were, this is red and this is white. Now they are asking what number of the male progeny are red-eyed. What number of this will be red-eyed? So how to calculate this? So first you see this Punnett square type of diagram. So parental generation is crossing red-eyed female. Okay, here they are taking both of the genes are having the red gene, X chromosome having the red gene, and this white-eyed male. So it will be XWY. So they are mating it, and what they get is that this is the female XW plus, and male gametes XW and Y. So what they get here, XW plus XW, XW plus XW. So these are all the females. So here in this Punnett square, we get that all the females are red-eyed. All the females are red-eyed, and all the male is also red-eyed. Yeah, why this is happening? Because both the genes from the both the X chromosomes have the red gene. So this is how all the F1 generation will be red-eyed. Okay, all the F1 will be red-eyed. But this is not the case, not the same case for our question. So in our question, they are saying that 50 out of the 50 females, 25 were red-eyed and 25 were white-eyed. So there has to be one white eye containing X chromosome in the female one also. Then only this pattern will come. So one X chromosome already it is coming from the male. So the other chromosome must come from the female, because in female one X chromosome comes from the father and one X chromosome comes from the mother. For a female to have a white eye, both the X chromosome must have the white eye gene. So one white eye gene will come from the father. That is to we know for sure because white-eyed male we are meeting. And the other should come from the mother. So the mother must contain one white eye egg containing X chromosome. It cannot mother cannot have more than one because we know that the mother's phenotype is red. So mother's genotype will be XW plus containing the red gene and XW containing the white gene. So mother is heterozygote. So let's create a Punnett square like this. So here we keep the father XW and here we keep the mother XW and W plus. So here we will have XW plus XW and we will have XW plus and Y. Next we will have XW, XW and XWY. So we have total 100 progeny out of which 50 are females and 50 are males. So this side will be females, these two, these two are females and these two are males. So 50% of the progeny will be female and 50% will be male, which is given. So out of the 50, 25 were red eye. So the one containing this type of genotype will be one containing this genotype will be having red eye and the one having this genotype will be white eye. So 50% is red and 50% is white. Okay. So here they are saying 25 were red and 25 were white and total is 50. So and in the male population also we have 50 males. So how many of the male progeny are white? So if you take the male progeny also, you will get that 1:1 ratio. White eye, like red eye versus white eye will be present in 1:1 ratio. So if it is a 1:1 ratio and 50 are females, so you can easily calculate that 50 divided by 2, so total will be 25. So 25 white eye and 25 red eye. So even in the male population, 25 will be the red-eyed population. So you have to do this sort of calculation. So first of all, it is important that you figure out what is the genotype of the female. For male, it is easy because if it is a white type, it will have only one X chromosome, and that X chromosome should have a white eye gene. So in female only, you have to figure out what will be the genotype, and then you can easily answer this question. Okay. So D will be the right answer. 25 progeny male were red.